Hi, I'm Valerie, and today we're hiking Cathedral Rock. Hi, I'm Valerie, and this is Nature Walks with Valerie, and today we're hiking Cathedral Rock. And this is my little companion, Saber. It's really common around vortexes like Cathedral and Bell Rock to find trees that are twisted. I call them vortex trees. This one is twisting kind of clockwise. It's cool, it looks like a little bonsai. Okay, so from here you can kind of see Thunder Mountain, and I'm not sure the names of these rocks over here, but you can clearly see Courthouse Butte and Bell Rock right there. And then right behind us here is Cathedral Rock. Okay, so there are several different kinds of trail markers here in Sedona. One is the basket rock cairns, and then the other is these little painted arrow marks here on the rocks. Saber here is 14 years old, and I think she has met her match as far as mountains go. It's kind of a miracle that she can do this since it's basically a vertical climb most of the way up. She's a trooper though, she's doing okay. Made it to the top in one piece, and this is about as far up as you can get without climbing gear. Or rather, we didn't make it to the top. The top is technically up there, but we made it to the saddle. And yeah, Saber even made it up. 14 years old. If she can do it, you can do it. Okay, so the best time to do this hike is probably winter, provided, you know, the weather is good, or late fall or early spring, because in the middle of the summer, especially in the middle of the day, this is going to be a really hot hike with no shade, because the sun at that point in the year is going to be almost directly overhead for most of the day. So we're not going to stick around until sunset because we just got a strong wind coming from the north and it's very cold. There are two top most iconic images of Cathedral Rock, and this is one of them. This view right here. Voila! Okay, so I think we're going to leave off here today. This is a really nice spot to kind of wrap things up. It's been a glorious hike, albeit a little bit strenuous, especially with the dog, but totally worth it. Thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, hit that like button, share, and subscribe to see more. Turn on your wild side, tune into nature, and peace out. Oh, she's so cold. Are you so cold? She's like, yes, let's go home now, please. There she goes.